Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Today we are going to be trying to fire up this Coyote swap. My father is here. My father-in-law will be here shortly. And yeah, we're pretty much right at where we need to be. So we're gonna just find a reliable ignition source. We're gonna check for oil pressure. And then if that all looks good, we're gonna hook up the fuse box and we're gonna try to start it up. So wish us luck. Future Sleazy here. Just want to go over a couple of things because I'm going to put most of what my dad and I did in fast motion. Huge shout out to my father and my father-in-law as well, because their help was immense in this particular leg of the project. So let's walk over exactly what we did here. The first thing that we did was to figure out which one of these ignition wires was the suitable trigger for the ignition toggle. And I think this one is actually the right one from the factory, because when you turn the key forward and while the key is starting the starter, this has 12 volts. So we use this, the red wire. Let's go around the other side. So we added the red wire to hook up to green here, which is the ignition toggle. We talked about that last week. And we hooked the fuel pump up to the large green. This goes back to the fuel pump solenoid in the back, the relay in the back. And then I just capped the rest of these off. So that's all we had to do for this. Cool. And then after that, I ran a 4-gauge wire for power temporarily to this fuse here, and then to the box here. Now, you probably don't need this much of wire if you are not using the starter through here. I'm using the starter through the regular vehicle's wiring harness, so probably don't need this, but you know what? It's fine. Also, we hooked up an oil pressure gauge, and that was done by removing the oil pressure sender here and then just hooking this up here. Then for vacuum, because you have to run a vacuum line to the fuel pressure regulator, we hooked up this vacuum manifold I got from Amazon that connects to this. We just blocked this off temporarily with tape, but I think I need to actually cap that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, we turned it over, and you'll see what happens. How we doing the vacuum stuff? Oh, it got on.
You got this one blocked. Now you said the two in the back are blocked?
I blocked those two. This one over here is a problem, though. I have to figure out something for that.
Yeah, this will disrupt the airflow.
I don't have any caps that'll fit that, so I also don't want to tape it.
I'm trying to think what we could use.
There we go.
Done.
All set.
You got something?
Got something.
Should be wearing a low-cut halter top.
Hold on to that. I already pulled the pin out, so just in case.
Okay, let me get a picture. Perfect. Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Let's do it.
All right, here we go.
I'm not much for pictures.
Nobody is.
Here we go. Just keep an eye out for any smoke or anything in that area.
Yeah.
Just keep an eye on the
Yeah,
oil
that's
pressure.
why I'm holding it.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Bring the thunder.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that sounded sick.
What do you smell?
No, that's just the headers.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
the
exhaust.
We're warming up.
That's nothing.
All right.
I'm
Holy
surprised more smoke than that.
All right, so we got first fire done. This is a short one, of course, so we are gonna go have some steak and scotch and celebrate. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Is that what I usually say? Oh, no, wait. So there you have it. There was first fire. We were so pumped coming to you from the future again here. This was actually recorded about a week after Labor Day, and we were just excited to go celebrate. But I think you and I should celebrate as well, right? Because you've been probably watching since episode 1, just like I have. We did it. For the first time in over 23 years, this car has a running engine in it. I really can't tell you how pumped I am about this. Huge heartfelt thank you to everybody. Obviously, we're not even close to finished with the car, but this is a huge milestone. So let's take a moment. Let's enjoy the W and let's celebrate really quick. Happy first fire. Thanks for watching. Always build responsibly, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.